how does this assessment, the IAAT, how does it inform the decisions that you make at the district level and the school level?
Sure. So there are a lot of pieces of data that come from this. So what we're able to, we use it for a number of different uses. Of course, we're looking at student success, student achievement, strengths for students, and we are using that directly with our instructors as they move to algebra. So we can look down all the way down to a granular level with each of the students to identify their strengths, areas that need reinforcement, their readiness for algebra. We can really get a really solid picture of that student when it comes to algebra readiness as they move into the algebra arena. So on that level, I think what most people would typically think of when they're using any kind of assessment results. Everything from readiness down to the different parts of algebra, we can see how the students are doing. A little bit bigger picture, maybe one step up, is we use that to really evaluate our compacted course. You have to imagine that's a lot of standards to fit into a year. We're moving very quickly with that. So what that allows us to do with that, with those results, is we can look for areas that are showing up with less achievement for the students. Maybe we're seeing this in a part of the equation or number sense or things like that. So we'll take that information and then revisit our pacing guides and our own curriculum maps and take a look at that and say, okay, what did this really look like in real time when we actually were using this for instruction? What might have resulted in more students than we wanted to, showing not as much growth in that area or not as much strength in that area. So we use it to revise not only the students, of course, but revise our own pacing, our own maps with the teachers, and analyze that, and then refocus how we instruct. So we use it on a couple of different levels with the entire math spectrum.